Hi everyone, my name is Katya, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to wrap a stone or a crystal without making any holes in it. I made 3 pendants. One of them is here on me. I used citrine and I'm happy with the result. And here are another 2 pendants. This one is with clear quartz and this one is with amethyst. So let's begin with the tutorial. I've made one pendant using this small amethyst already, and here is the result. I used this black cotton yarn for it. This yarn is a leftover from one of my previous works. Today I'm going to make pendants using this citrine and this clear quartz. But first I would like to tell you a little bit about these stones. Clear quartz is one of my favorite crystals. It has a very clean and serene appearance. This crystal cleans the body and thoughts. Crystal balls are often used for opening the third eye. Citrine is a very beautiful sunny stone. Meditation with this crystal fills person from inside with sunlight and enough energy for solving any problem. By the way, it holds no negativity, so it never requires cleansing or clearing. There are so many tales and myths about amethyst. Amethyst is a symbol of harmony and relaxation. That's why it brings to its master protection against conflicts, quarrels and bad thoughts. I bought a very thin cotton yarn for crochet. If you have macrame thread, it would be even better. We have to cut off 3 long pieces of yarn. I made them this long on purpose. I want to use it both for the pendant and the necklace. If you want, you can use 4 pieces of yarn for your pendant. In this case, you will have a square at the beginning, not a triangle. Take 1 piece of yarn and measure your stone. Make a small circle with a smaller diameter than your stone to prevent your stone from falling out. Hold your loop and make the first knot. Tighten it well. Try if it fits your crystal. Take the second thread and tie it to the main thread, passing through its middle. Also tie the third thread to the loop and make the distance between your knots equal. You should put it on your crystal after each step to make sure it fits your crystal's unique shape. Now, take 1 thread to each neighboring knots, make a small triangle out of them and make a knot to fix it. Your triangles may differ. You can make whichever way you like. Next, take the left thread of the last knot and 1 thread from the next one. Find your perfect triangle and make a knot. Now we have 2 free threads on our first row and we will make another triangle and another knot. Check if it fits the stone now. It should embrace the crystal tightly. Let's start the second row. We will follow the same rows like we did for the first one. Take 1 thread from each of the neighboring knots, measure a triangle and make a knot. don't forget to make it tight around the stone. I finished the second row and left the crystal inside. After this, I make a bead knot on the top of it, using all the threads. The number of your rows and triangles can differ depending on the size of your stone. Next step is to divide your leftover threads and make a simple braid on each of the parts. You can put beads, ribbons, small rings or whatever accessory you want in your braids. I'm sure it will look pretty. Citrine is a sun crystal, and I decided to make it face up on my pendant. I will start my work from its white part. The design of this pendant will be a bit different. First, I'm going to put about 5 layers of threads on it. Next, I will tie the endings. I'm cutting off the rests. For this pendant, I also prepared 3 threads, which I folded in 2. With the help of my crochet, I pulled each of the threads through the circle. Take one thread from each of the neighboring knots and make a new one. I don't take off my crystal because I can ruin the whole thing this way. Make knots around it. I hide the first knot from the circle using my crochet. I've finished 2 rows and now let's make the big knot. I didn't want to hide the heart of my stone behind the big knot, so I made it higher. As you see, the peak of the crystal now is seen very well. I've also made braids for the second pendant. Cut off the extra threads and we are done. Now I have pendants with crystals for each occasion. I hope so much that this video was useful for you and you'll make a lot of wonderful and beautiful pendants. You can show your results to me. You can find me on Instagram or Facebook. All the links are below this video. So thank you very much for watching, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Bye bye.